Lot number 30218A, C-Do 717 720 engine out of a 95 XP. And do engine compression test. I'm going to start with the PTO side first. 150 pounds of compression on the PTO side. This engine is really clean, freshwater motor. There's the rotary valve area. It's all good, no major damage. Crank is well oiled. We're going to leave everything on this engine as you see it. This engine will be for sale. If you want to buy it, call Marto's Motorsports 218-844-4968. We're going to do the mag side next. $150 pounds of compression on the mag side. Thanks for stopping by.